Forex trading is the process of buying and selling currencies on the foreign exchange market. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with an average daily trading volume of over $5 trillion. Forex trading can be a great way to make money, but it is important to remember that it is also a risky investment. There is no guarantee that you will make money, and you could lose all of your investment. If you are considering Forex trading, there are a few things you need to do to increase your chances of success, and here they are. Step 1. Learn the basics of Forex trading. This includes understanding how the market works, the different types of orders, and the risks involved. Step 2. Choose a reputable Forex broker. A Forex broker is a company that facilitates the buying and selling of currencies. Do your research to find a broker that is regulated and has a good reputation. Step 3. Start with a small amount of money. This will help you to minimize your losses if you make mistakes. Step 4. Use a trading plan. A trading plan is a set of rules that you follow when making trades. This will help you to stay disciplined and avoid making emotional decisions. Step 5. Manage your risk. This means only risking a small amount of money on each trade. Step 6. Be patient. Forex trading is a long-term game, so don't expect to get rich quick. If you follow these tips, you will increase your chances of making money with Forex trading. However, it is important to remember that there is no guarantee of success. Always do your own research and trading at your own risk. Here are some additional tips for making money with Forex trading in South Africa. Step 1. Use a demo account. This is a free account that allows you to trade with virtual money. This is a great way to learn the ropes of Forex trading without risking any real money. Step 2. Get involved in the Forex community. There are many online forums and chat rooms where you can connect with other Forex traders. This is a great way to learn from others and get advice on your trading. Step 3. Stay up to date on the latest Forex news. This will help you to make informed trading decisions. You can follow Forex news websites and blogs, or subscribe to Forex news alerts. Step 4. Don't trade when you're emotional. It's important to be able to make rational trading decisions, even when you're feeling stressed or excited. If you're not feeling good, take a break from trading. Forex trading can be a profitable investment, but it's important to remember that it is also a risky one. Do your research, start with a small amount of money, and use a trading plan to increase your chances of success. Now here we are providing you the best Forex broker to start your Forex trading with, so here is the list. FP Markets. FX Pro. IC Markets. FBS. XM. Black Bull Markets. HF Markets. Axie. Oenda. Pepperstone. These all are basically the best Forex brokers in South Africa, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below.